Hello, this is CY from Duet Dance Studio. We are here to show you a beautiful waltz turn for your wedding first dance. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and also check out our website, weddingfirstdancelessons.com, for more useful videos. Enjoy!
Let's start with the leader's footwork first. I'll demonstrate facing away, so leaders, you can follow along. This step begins with half of a box that is not rotated. So we're going to step forward, 1, 2, 3. On count 3, you're going to drop your right arm. This is your turn signal, and it tells your partner, pay attention, a turn is coming up. Next, you're going to step straight back on 4, 5, 6. These are the counts when your partner is passing in front of you. Next, you're going to step forward left. You're going to flip 90 degrees. This is on 2, 3, and then you're going to complete a box by stepping back 4, 5, 6. Let's connect all those steps together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a little leading that I'm doing with my left arm. So as I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm raising my arm, 5, 6. As I step forward on my left foot, my left arm comes down 1, and then I return to my frame on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to have Ashton demonstrate the followers part. She's going to begin by facing away. She steps 1, 2, 3. Now when the leader drops their arm, the follower drops their arm completely as well. Going on, she steps forward 4. She goes out 5, 6. She is turned 90 degrees to her right. She turns another 90 degrees and steps forward 1, 2, 3. She's gone forward, side, close, and now she's going to finish the box forward 4, 5, 6. Let's put all those counts together so you can see how they flow. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from the outside, it might appear that the follower is walking in a circle, but in reality, she's making very distinct right angles, more of a box rather than a turn. Let's have Ashton demonstrate once more. This time, she's also going to show you that as she's walking out past her partner, her left arm can be placed out away from her, maybe following the line of her dress. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Now let's try it together. We'll go here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Freeze. Now after the first set of 6, you and your partner should finish side by side, sort of shoulder to shoulder. As soon as my partner is passed under my arm, I can bring my left arm down and forward. Next, we're going to step straight forward, 1, flip to face each other on 2, 3. Now that we've met and reconnected into our nice frame position, we'll complete the box, 4, 5, 6. We go 1, 2, drop on 3, 4, 5, 6, freeze. Now, after she's walked under my arm on count 5 and 6, we're side by side with each other, I can bring my left arm down and forward. We have a nice loose grip here. There's no clenching or twisting or anything. And this left arm is really sort of pointing to my partner. Let's go over there. Let's go forward. All right? So side by side, we're going to step forward 1. We face each other on 2, 3, and reconnect into our frame. Once you've reconnected into a good position, you're going to keep your timing and step back on 4, 5, 6.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more fun moves and tricks, you can sign up for our complete online dance program on our website, weddingfirstdancelessons.com. Have fun dancing!